Hi, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going mushroom hunting again. And yesterday I went with my nephews and saw a lot of them, but I'll be showing them also today. Now I've got my drinks and the book, the mushroom Bible, as you can say. And we're going to feed ourselves with some nutritious things. Well, not this. I didn't have anything else in the fridge. Anyway, went to the gas station, got me some nasi roll something, and I thought I'll go into the forest and look for some mushrooms. Well, as you can see here, we have a few of the species. I don't know what it's called yet, but I will look for it. I don't know what this one is called, but it looks very nice. Here we got one, and in the Netherlands we call it witch butter. It's a nice yellow bright one. And it's like a slime mold, but you know, it really looks icky. It attracts flies anyway, so I will get in much more detail about that when I get home, because I want to inform you about mushrooms, which ones are good, which ones are bad. And well, first of all, don't touch mushrooms. Just like a cautionary thing, you know. Touching mushrooms isn't always good for your system. For this year, my main goal is to find me one particular mushroom that I've been searching for almost 14 years now. And it's the purple coral mushroom. That is something that grows here in the Netherlands somewhere, and I'm very curious how it looks. We've seen the yellow ones, but not the purple ones, and that is one that I really want on my list to check out and to find, and you know, make a few pictures. Sometimes you gotta stray off the path to find what you are looking for. It's like the Gobi Desert in here. Man, it's so dry. Ooh, I found a really small one. It's right here. In a world where you need to find mushrooms to survive, he was selling his own caravan, but that didn't really work out. And now he's on a path for justice, finding his passion in nature, just cruising around with a Jim Carrey face. Alrighty then. I saw something, I don't know if it's a mushroom yet, but we will find out, because I'm determined. So, ooh, look at that. Almost squatted one. It was so good camouflaged. Here, look at that. Oh, that's a beauty. A beauty, man. Yeah, don't talk so strange. Sorry. Look here. A really big one. Now, these used to be for medicinal purposes, but I have to check on that one, because they use it also as like maybe for producing clothes. I've heard about that. They're already producing clothes from mushrooms, so that's nice. This one, a small one next to it, a large one, yeah. and a small one. Anyway, next to that we have something nice. It's a boletus, and it's like a walnut boletus, I think. That literally translated, I don't know, I have to check it, I'm sorry. I'm not English, I'm Dutch, and all the things that I've learned a couple of years are all the Dutch names. But I will try in Latin. But I've never had Latin, so I don't know if I spell it out correctly or say it correctly. Well, I will try my best. Every day is a new day to learn something new. I have spotted some mushrooms. Look at that big guy, and those over there. Let's check them out. Whoa, these are really big. Look at this, man. Whoa, right beside the road. And this one, wow, that's huge. Now, these seem old already, and it's like the beginning of the season, and it has to be cold as well. And the temperature is now like, I mean, I got shorts on. It's warm. I've got a sweater on, but oh, look at this, man. Wow, real beauties, huh? A whole bunch of them. Now, these, I think they're boletus witches. I will check, because this is driving me insane. I have to learn these Latin names for you and check on the internet if they have like an English name, so I can show you what the real name is. I think they are called boletus erythropus. That's a funny name. In Dutch we call them like a regular witch boletus. That's just the Dutch people. We have funny names for everything. So, well, check them out. You see by the stem, it's dark orange, and the bottom side is not yellow, so it's not like boletus ponyphilus, but it's the erythropus boletus. Well, there they are. So, anyway, that was a nice catch. Those are all spruce trees, and the first oak that I'm seeing is covered with mushrooms. These are beautiful. It is a boletus, but I don't know which kind. There they are. I'm not here to really gather mushrooms, just a turkey tail. And sometimes when there's an awful lot, I will take a boletus, but those not, because I'm definitely not sure what it is. Here we have something called the Calocera viscosa. It's in Dutch we call it coral mushroom, a sticky coral mushroom, but it's not that. It's this one, and I've made some video about it yesterday with my brothers, but I couldn't really tell about it because there were kids there, so, and you know, YouTube and kids, there's something wrong with that, so I didn't make a video of it, but I will show you here. The Calocera viscosa usually So the reason I don't know any any Latin name is because I wanted to keep it simple for myself, but every day you gotta learn something new. That tells you something about me. Well, I got the book, so the book helps. Anyway, we're still searching for mushrooms, but there are not a lot in this forest.